So this is just a quick video guide to show you how our multi-camera and dual camera interfaces and front camera interfaces work on the new 70 series. So for everyone out there that's bought the reverse camera kit, we sell a reverse camera kit that plugs in down to the kick panel to give you the reverse camera on the factory screen. But if you want to add additional cameras, we now sell an interface that allows you to run up to 3 additional cameras. So on this car, we've got it set up as front, rear, trailer. And you can activate them anytime on the factory screen. It comes with a front camera that's plug and play. Here you can see it coming out the front of the vehicle. It looks very nice. You can switch between the rear camera, and on this car we've got a trailer camera as well, so you can turn them on and off as you like, and just it doesn't interfere with any of the normal operations. Completely plug and play and easy to do. That's our front camera kit, and I'll show you what the cameras look like. We'll just jump around the front here. This is a press fit mount that we've made and designed for the front of the new 2023 onwards 70 series. It just mounts the camera in the back there. We step you through on our YouTube channel how to run the cables, how to plug it all in. Very easy to do, guys. And this is the rear camera we've got on the back of the vehicle on this one. That's the reverse camera kit mount for anyone wanting to look or see what they look like on the vehicle. Really nice and easy. And on this one, we've got the other camera down here in the corner. But that's the beauty of this thing, of our interface for the new 70 series. You can run up to 3 additional cameras. So, you know, you can do front, rear, left, right, trailer, 2 cameras in the trailer, your canopy, whatever you like. And we've got a number of buttons available on our website. So you can either put them in the 32mm slots here with the dual button. We have those available, or we have the single buttons in front, rear, trailer, camera, 1, 2, 3. So we have different combinations that you can choose from your switching, and it makes it really easy to do, guys. It's just completely plug and play. Check it out on our website, autochimp.com.au, or check us out on our YouTube channel at AutoChimp as well.